Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a scheduling appointment booking system to your Weebly website. This is incredibly useful if you run a service-based business and want clients to book appointments directly through your site without the back and forth of emails or phone calls. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites and settings. Now look over to the left menu where you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it to expand the menu, and right underneath you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to a page where all your existing websites are displayed. Choose the specific website you want to add the booking system to by locating it in the list and clicking the Edit button on the right side of that site's thumbnail. Once you're inside the editor, take a look at the top menu bar and make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you'll access all the elements and tools needed to customize your site's layout and functionality. If you're not already there, just click Build to switch over. Next, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll find a variety of elements you can add to your site. What you're looking for here is the embed code element. This is the key to adding external tools like scheduling systems to your Weebly site. If you can't immediately see it in the list, click on Show All Elements to expand the full menu of available options. Once you've located the embed code element, simply drag it onto the section of your website where you want the appointment booking system to appear. This could be on your contact page, services page, or even your home page, depending on how you want visitors to interact with it. After placing the element, click on it and you'll see an option that says Edit Custom HTML. Click that to open up a text box where you can paste code. This is where you'll insert the embed code from your scheduling appointment booking system. Most booking platforms like Calendly, Acuity, or similar services provide an embed code that you can simply copy and paste here. And that's it. You've successfully integrated a scheduling appointment booking system into your Weebly website, making it easier for clients to book time with you directly online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.